Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Saran Nadar. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate variance and standard deviation and the significant factors about standard deviation. Let's start with variance. There are two different ways to calculate variance. First, we need to calculate the mean of the data set. Let's take an example of data set 1 to 10. We need to calculate the mean, which would be as x bar, and we need to calculate the difference between our data point to the mean and make another row, and we are going to take the absolute value. If my x minus x bar is resulting in negative value, then I would consider it as positive, and then at last I'm gonna calculate the sum of the absolute value of x minus x bar and divide by n. That would be the average distance, and this is the variance. That is from first way. And in second way, the only difference would be the instead of taking an absolute value of x minus x bar, I would be squaring x minus x bar, and that would produce a different value as that of the first way. And the second way is mostly considered while calculating the variance. And how to calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but the square root of variance, and it is used to understand how much our data is spread. And the significant factors that I was going to discuss is that in a normal distribution graph, the 65% of the data lies within one standard deviation, as shown in the graph, and 95% within two standard deviation, and 99.7% within 3 standard deviations. To calculate the values below one standard deviation, we can add the mean plus standard deviation, or subtract with standard deviation. The data set below one standard deviation can be found, and to find the data set within 2 standard deviation, we need to subtract or add 2 standard deviation with mean. That's it for now, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.